Over the past 30 years, Wisconsin-based Corporate Contractors Incorporated has completed thousands of construction projects for commercial and public sector clients, generating an average of over $100 million in annual revenue. Acting on a recommendation from another software provider, CCI chose ProEst to replace the estimating system they had in place, prioritizing the need for seamless integration with their accounting solution. The goal was to let data seamlessly flow from one phase of the project to the next, saving time and eliminating the possibility of re-entry errors. And ProEst delivered. According to CCI executives, after moving to ProEst, CCI estimators no longer needed to double-check their math to confirm that data was correct, resulting in a sizable boost to productivity. ProEst gave CCI estimators a new ability to work remotely, too. An important benefit for a company with 20 estimators, multiple office locations, and a growing demand for proposals. Even better, since implementing ProEst, CCI has significantly increased their estimate output, up from 200 in all of 2019 to 50 in the first 2 months of 2020 alone. That's the kind of productivity that fits perfectly with CCI's plans for growth and expansion, and solidifies the company's reputation as a digital leader.